It's August 21st. She started over here with the blanket. She rolled herself all the way over here. And now she's looking upside down.
Rooting for the Cowboys.
At the football game on TV.
Go Cowboys!
I don't think she's rooting for the Cowboys. I think that's her eagle cry. She says, Daddy put the Eagles on. She's been doing this for about 15 minutes now. Yelling at the ceiling, yelling at the TV. What are you doing, Brooke? Say hi, everybody. Say hi.